If you've run an LMS or maybe you have a membership system into your WordPress website, then I highly suggest that you also configure your menu for enrollees and for the visitors. Now there is a plugin for that. You really don't need to scratch it, code it from scratch, and I'll show you how that works. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, 1, 2, 3. So again, I'm good with the membership login for as long as they are a visitor into the website like this, like this one. So they don't have an account yet. But if they are ready or they already have an account, I want this to be changed to my account. So how you can do that? So simply go into the WordPress and we need to look for a plugin called users menu. There is an option actually to manually code it, but we wanted to make it fast as possible. Like if you don't want to code from scratch, right? So we will just use a plugin for that. So the plugin that I'm saying is called users menus. Okay. So you go to the plugins, add new, and type in users menu. Okay. And then this one. So I think we already done this. Yeah, I think I already activated. So once you already activate the user menu, so as you can see here, the description, oh, I just forgot. Let me just go back with the description. It says that you can show and hide a menu items to log in users and log out users or a specific user roles. So I'm going to go into the menus sections in here. And okay, so I have this primary menu. Okay. And then on this part, so I have this past events, master classes, and member login. So I want this member login to be visible for logout user only. And then I'm gonna create another what do you call that? My account there. So that would be accessible if they are a login user. Okay. And then you can also choose a specific roles if you want to, but let's just keep it that way. I just wanted to make it simple, and let's refresh the website. So as you can see here, I am an admin, so I really did not I did not filter yet the roles here. So as long as you are logged in or you are a member of the site, you can see the My Accounts. And if you are a visitor, you don't have an account yet, the word that will be in the membership page should be member login. So yeah, that's basically how that works. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to comment down below.